Hello friends and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to unbox RhinoShield Mod NX for the iPhone 12. So I've ordered for a replacement actually. So let's see how does it looks. Let's open this. So the packaging is very simple. You have the outer cover, and once you open this you have the box, the RhinoShield branding, nice black color, very and simple. So here we have it opened. Here we have the product, and inside there's the product. See how it looks, guys. The Mod NX for the iPhone 12. Nice red color. So the packaging is very nice. It has all the information from RhinoShield. It's a community grade product. It's BPA free, and it makes you feel personal and unique. Nice packaging. It has all the branding on all sides. So let's open this. There is a pull tape. You have to pull this out, and this is the actual Mod NX cover. So that has the rim. You can use it without the backplate. So they've given a backplate and they've given a rim with this, the actual Mod NX product. So this is a clear back plate which you get with the product. You can order a MagSafe one as well, and this is a clear back plate. It is nice and strong and steady. And so there are two options, guys. You can use without the back plate, where you'll have to use the rim and insert the phone inside. So I'll show you both ways on how to do it. So here is the iPhone 12. So this was the previous cover. So I've used it over a year, and the problem happening is, you can see it's slightly loose. So I emailed them and they could send a replacement one. I had to pay some extra amount for that, but it is worth it. It has because of this issue they could give me a replacement. So if just remove this out, previous back plate, you can use this if you want, but it's become dirty, so we'll keep this aside. And phone's properly protected in this cover. So I'll show you with two ways how to insert it once. Let's put this into the cover again. So first you have to align the volume buttons with the case here. So the volume thing has gone in, and now you have to slightly push this thing in, and here it is. It is nicely aligned with the device. So the rim is in the behind portion of the phone, and here you can see it is nicely snugged into the phone. The buttons are easily accessible. So it's all the power thing. Yep, and the ports are easily visible as well. Speaker grills, charging ports, power button. So the best thing with RhinoShield is the buttons are aligned so perfectly that you won't feel it's a cover button or the phone button you're pressing. As well as these buttons are changeable. You can remove these buttons out and put a different color if you want. So this is the one which you installed with the rim, so you don't have a back plate, so it will still give you a good drop protection. So now let's show you one with the back plate. Let's take off this. So again, you start with the bottom right. Okay, move your way up to the top of it. And it's out. So first you'll have to remove the rim. The rim is out. So you take this back plate, you have to remove the sticker of it. Nice and clean and shiny. So let's put this in. So you have the RhinoShield branding as well. So you can put this in from the front. So you have to properly align it within the alignment inside. As you can see, it's properly inserted in, and now let's put the actual phone inside. So we have to start from the side. So you can see the click sound in all sides. This means that the phone is properly been inserted into the cover, and it is a very snug fit, so it gives you a very good drop protection. So the cover is properly been installed with the back plate, and you can see there's no edges coming out and no gaps at all. Everything has been inserted correctly, and you can see that even the lip raise as well in all sides. So there's good enough lip protection, so in case your phone falls, it will have a good protection with the edged lips, and it's nice and sturdy to hold. So here it is, guys. I've shown you two ways on how to install the cover. One is with the back plate, one is with the extra rim they have given, so you can use it that way as well. This rims are interchangeable, you can use a different color as well to suit your need. So thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe. Thanks, bye bye.